Mountain biking is an exhilarating adventure, but safety always comes first. One of the most important pieces of gear you'll need is a quality helmet. A mountain bike helmet is essential for protecting your head in case of a fall or crash, and with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one to choose. In this ultimate guide, we'll take a look at the best mountain bike helmets to help you find the perfect fit for your rides. Let's dive into these top 7 helmets and discover what makes each one stand out. Number 1. ILME 310 Liters Adult Bike Helmet. The ILME 310 Liters Adult Bike Helmet is a solid option for riders looking for comfort, protection, and style. Designed for both road cycling and mountain biking, this helmet features a sleek aerodynamic design that minimizes wind resistance while providing maximum protection. The ILM helmet is equipped with an advanced ventilation system, offering excellent airflow to keep your head cool during those long, sweaty rides. Constructed with an impact-resistant outer shell and a multi-density EPS foam liner, this helmet is designed to absorb shocks effectively, offering superior protection in the event of an accident. The ILM helmet also includes an adjustable strap and dial fit system, allowing you to customize the fit to your head shape for optimal comfort and security. Durability is a key feature of this helmet. With its sturdy construction and lightweight build, it's designed to stand up to the demands of mountain biking without adding unnecessary bulk. For anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable helmet for mountain biking, the ILME 310 Liters is an excellent choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Giro Fixture MIPS Adult Mountain Helmet. The Giro Fixture MIPS Adult Mountain Helmet is designed to offer a perfect balance of safety, comfort, and performance. One of its standout features is the inclusion of the MIPS Multi-Directional Impact Protection System technology, which reduces rotational forces on the brain during angled impacts. This feature adds an extra layer of protection, giving riders peace of mind during high-speed rides or tough trails. The Giro Fixture is built with an in-mold construction that combines a hard outer shell with an impact-absorbing foam liner. This design ensures both durability and lightweight comfort, while the large vents throughout the helmet provide excellent ventilation to keep your head cool. The helmet's Rock Lock Sport system allows for quick and easy adjustment of the fit, ensuring a snug, secure fit with minimal hassle. Another great aspect of the Giro Fixture helmet is its versatility. Its clean, minimalist design appeals to a wide range of mountain bikers, and it's suitable for various types of riding, from cross-country to trail biking. With the added MIPS technology and reliable construction, the Giro Fixture MIPS helmet is a top contender in the world of mountain biking helmets. Number 3. Exclusky MTB Helmet for Adults. The Exclusky MTB Helmet for Adults is a durable and comfortable helmet designed with a serious mountain biker in mind. This helmet is built to withstand the toughest terrains while providing exceptional protection. Its outer shell is made from a high-quality polycarbonate material, ensuring impact resistance without sacrificing comfort. The multi-density EPS foam liner absorbs shocks and protects your head from potential injuries during high-impact situations. One of the key features of the Exclusky helmet is its adjustable ventilation system. With multiple air vents positioned strategically around the helmet, this design helps promote airflow and keeps your head cool during intense rides. The comfortable padding inside provides additional cushioning and moisture-wicking properties to help you stay dry, even during long hours of riding. The helmet also features an adjustable dial fit system, allowing you to easily adjust the fit for a snug, secure feel. The lightweight build of the Exclusky MTB helmet ensures that it won't weigh you down during your ride, and its sleek design makes it both functional and stylish. This helmet offers excellent protection, comfort, and adjustability, making it a fantastic choice for mountain bikers. Number 4. Fox Racing Speedframe MTB Helmet. The Fox Racing Speedframe MTB Helmet is a high-performance option for mountain bikers looking for cutting-edge safety and comfort. This helmet incorporates MIPS technology, which helps reduce rotational forces that can occur during an angled crash, providing added protection to the rider's head. The Speedframe's design also features a robust outer shell and an EPS foam liner, offering superior shock absorption. For maximum ventilation, the Fox Racing Speedframe is equipped with 14 large air vents that allow cool air to circulate and keep your head cool during long climbs or fast descents. The helmet's adjustable visor provides additional sun protection, while also offering increased visibility during rides. This is especially useful for off-road biking in unpredictable terrain. The helmet's fit system is another highlight. With an adjustable dial and internal pads, the Fox Racing Speedframe ensures that you can achieve a custom fit, providing both comfort and security. For anyone looking for a helmet that offers both safety and comfort on challenging trails, the Fox Racing Speedframe is an excellent option. Number 5. VICTGOAL Bike Helmet with USB Light. The VICTGOAL Bike Helmet with USB Light is an innovative mountain bike helmet that stands out thanks to its built-in LED light system. This feature makes it a fantastic choice for those who ride in low-light conditions or enjoy nighttime biking. The helmet includes a rechargeable USB light that can be mounted at the rear of the helmet, offering increased visibility to other riders and vehicles, making it ideal for evening or early morning rides. The helmet itself is constructed with a durable outer shell and a multi-density EPS foam liner to protect your head from impacts. It's designed with 21 vents that provide excellent airflow, ensuring your head stays cool during strenuous rides. The VICTGOAL helmet also comes with an adjustable fit system that allows you to personalize the helmet's fit for added comfort and security. Not only does the VICTGOAL helmet offer exceptional safety and comfort, but it also includes a sleek and modern design. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to wear for long periods, while the integrated USB light provides additional functionality, enhancing both safety and visibility. This helmet is perfect for mountain bikers looking for a stylish high-tech option that meets safety standards. Number 6. Ckorison Bike Helmet with Light. The Ckorison Bike Helmet with Light is a top-tier choice for mountain bikers who prioritize both safety and visibility. This helmet is equipped with an integrated LED light system, which can be extremely beneficial when riding in low-light or nighttime conditions. The rear light offers 3 different lighting modes, allowing cyclists to adjust based on the level of visibility required, ensuring safety on the trail at any time of day. In terms of design, the Ckorison helmet offers a perfect blend of comfort and protection. The helmet is made with a high-strength outer shell, paired with an advanced EPS foam layer that ensures effective shock absorption during a fall or crash. Its lightweight design makes it easy to wear for extended periods without discomfort. The helmet also features a ventilation system with multiple air vents that facilitate airflow, keeping your head cool during active rides. The adjustable dial and strap system allows for a custom secure fit, making it a great choice for mountain bikers of various head sizes. For added security and visibility on the road, the Ckorison Bike Helmet with Light is an excellent choice. Number 7. Silkycasters MTB Helmet with LED Lights. The Silkycasters MTB Helmet with LED Lights is an exciting option for riders looking for both style and safety. This helmet features a unique LED light system that provides enhanced visibility, especially during nighttime rides. The lights are powered by a rechargeable battery, which ensures long-lasting performance and can be easily recharged via USB. The LED lights offer multiple settings, including steady and flashing modes, allowing cyclists to adjust their visibility depending on the conditions. In terms of construction, the Silkycasters MTB helmet is made with durable materials that provide excellent protection in case of a fall or impact. The helmet features an in-mold design that integrates a tough outer shell with a soft, impact-absorbing foam layer, offering a superior level of protection. The Silkycasters helmet also includes an adjustable dial system that allows you to fine-tune the fit for optimal comfort. Its modern design, combined with the LED light feature, makes this helmet a perfect choice for mountain bikers who want safety, visibility, and performance all in one. Choosing the right mountain bike helmet is essential for your safety and performance on the trail. Whether you're looking for added visibility with built-in lights or seeking the latest in IPS technology for extra protection, the helmets we've covered today offer top-tier features that cater to every rider's needs. Don't compromise on safety. Pick the helmet that best suits your style and riding conditions. Thanks for watching, and ride safely.